Hello, I'm Jose Botero. Welcome to Arts 57, where today we're going to be painting a small storefront. I simplified the scene since the two stores were part of a larger strip. I will be painting on 90-pound Winsor Newton paper using White Nights watercolor paints. White Nights are very pigmented, as you will see when I paint the red stripe across the top of the building. As artists, we have full liberty to add or remove elements. I could have added a typical spiraling red and white tube sign, which is the worldwide symbol for a barber shop. But I already had stripes in the awning, and I preferred to relate those stripes to the girl's dress. Perhaps I should have made the doors wooden. That would have produced greater contrast with the white of the building. Storefronts, wherever they are wonderful subject matter. I remember being so enthralled looking at the indecipherable signage in a faraway country that I didn't realize that a young group of hoodlums had targeted me. I just heard the sound of whatever fruit they threw at me whisk by. What a waste of fruit.
Thank you for watching Arts57.com. We appreciate your visit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel now. Ring the bell to stay informed of future uploads. Don't forget to like the video and comment below if you have questions. Until next time.